This video demonstrates how to set up Office 365 email signature in Sigsync. Follow these steps to set up Sigsync email signatures for your Office 365 tenant. Step 1. Register Office 365 tenant. Step 2. Create a signature template. Step 3. Set signature rules. Step 4. Configure Exchange online connectors. Step 5. Add SPF record. Step 1. Register Office 365 tenant. To centrally manage email signatures for your organization, you must first register your Office 365 tenant with Sigsync. Log in to Sigsync using your Office 365 account. Select the Manage Signature tab from the dashboard. Select Register and Manage Tenant. Click the Click Here button and follow the wizard to proceed with the tenant registration. For more details on tenant registration, see the Register Office 365 tenant video. Step 2. Create a signature template. After you register your tenant, create a suitable email signature template. Select the Signature Gallery tab from the Sigsync dashboard. Sigsync provides hundreds of professional templates that are suitable for all your business requirements. Let's pick a template from the template gallery. You can use the same signature template or modify it as per your requirements using the various drag-and-drop and toolbar components available in the Sigsync editor. For more details on signature creation, see the Create and Design Email Signature Template videos. Step 3. Set signature rules. In the third step, set signature rules to define the conditions for your email signatures based on senders, recipients, and keywords. You can also set the rule execution flow. Click the Signature Rules tab. By default, Sigsync creates a default rule with the most common settings. You can keep the default rule or create a new rule and assign it the required signature template. For more details on setting rules, see the video Set Email Signature Rules. Step 4. Configure Exchange online connectors. In this step, you configure the inbound and outbound connectors in Exchange Online for proper email flow. Select the Configure Connectors tab from the Sigsync dashboard. Click Configure Connectors under the Server-Side Signatures section. For more details on the connector configuration, see the Configure Exchange Online Connectors video. Step 5. Add SPF record. Add the Sigsync domain to your SPF record to notify the receiving servers that our service is authorized by your domain to process the email. This helps to prevent receiving servers from marking your emails as spam, junk, spoofing, or phishing. From the dashboard, click the SPF Records button and follow the details to add Sigsync domain to your SPF record. That's it. Start sending emails from Outlook, and your email will be attached with the signature. Try Sigsync for free today.